Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, all my Cancer gang. You're starting your birthday month, and I thought I'll do a special read, which I do for every zodiac actually. Here's one for you. This is basically from now till your next birthday month, right? So this is just to check on to see how your health, wealth, and happiness will go, and what is it that we need to be aware of, and a general overlook. And yes, let's begin. My angel spirit guides, bless this reading for my Cancer gang. Bless them. They're starting their birthdays, and please send us some messages regarding their health, wealth, and happiness in the coming year for them. Thank you. So, Cancer, welcome back, all my subscribers. Thank you. Happy birthday in advance, most of you. And if you're new here, Cancer, of course, we welcome you as well. Wish you happy birthday. And join us. Subscribe to the channel if you enjoy this reading. We meet here bi-weekly for love readings, general readings, etc. All right. Health, wealth, and happiness. Wow. Okay, bottom of my deck, I have the High Priestess. Very Cancerian kind of card, isn't it? Tapping into your spirituality and just feeling very, very connected to the universe. So, let's see. Health. You know what? Before I start reading these cards, Cancer, let's start with the Ganesha Oracle card. Lord Ganesha being the bringer of abundance, joy, and happiness. Let's start your birthday month with a Ganesha Oracle card and an Angel Blessing card. Let's do a double whammy for you. Lord Ganesha, sustenance. Yes, I saw that. I mean, and your general happiness. I mean, come on, you have the Chariot, you have the Ten of Pentacles, and then you have the Queen of Pentacles here in progression. So yes, sustenance. You are going to be taken care of, Cancer. Don't worry about it. If you've been worrying about anything from your job to money or anything, the universe says, we're going to sustain you. Don't worry, we're going to take care of you. Okay? So, yes, tap into, your inner guidance, and all is going to be well. Let's take one from my angels as well. For my Cancer, my angels, what do you have for my Cancer? Cancer. All right. Look deeper. Yes, you are. See, the High Priestess and this card both go so beautifully together. High Priestess is the keeper of knowledge, keeper of hidden secrets, tapping into spirituality, looking within, and my angels say the same thing. Look deeper. All the answers that you're seeking are deep within you. You will find the answers how to have a beautiful year ahead, beautiful life ahead. Okay? Don't get worried, don't stress out, because I do see a little bit of stress and worry going on here, even though soon after that I see all your wishes coming true. So don't doubt yourself. Whenever in doubt, trust and look within. All right. So, Spirit, what do we have for Cancer's health? For Cancer's health, the first card I have here is the Hierophant. Yes, Cancer, I think you will have to kind of little bit take care, keep your food habits or whatever very, very balanced. If you've undergone any kind of stress and tension, is the first thing that you have to take care of. I think some of my Cancers overthink, but you think with worry and not with insight, as the Lord Ganesha is trying to explain, that when you think, you don't have to worry. In fact, think of solutions rather than worries. So if you have been kind of stressing out about anything, you have to kind of put that to a total rest. Put it to an end and start kind of seeing the higher picture. You start kind of structuring your life. Eat healthy. Make a diet chart if possible. So, one more, Spirit. Yes, again, the Hierophant again. So Spirit is saying something seems a bit imbalanced right now. Something is seeming a bit imbalanced. Maybe you're not really taking care of your vitamins or exercising or something like that. You need to kind of structure your health a little bit. What do I mean by structure? What does Hierophant mean? Hierophant basically means rules, right? So you have to have some strict rules by yourself. Right now you could be in a kind of limbo, sometimes maybe having junk food and sometimes having a vitamins or not going for a walk or whatever. So right now what I see, most of my cancers could be taking life a little easy and not choosing the path to a structured health benefit. Okay, but now I think you should, because it's going to take you into a very positive direction if you do kind of make a health regime, or you make a diet chart or a vision board for, like I do. I mean, I always visualize myself to be at certain weight and pray for a fit body, right? So once you have a goal in mind, you will kind of be able to choose the path which is going to give you lots of good abundance of good health. The Chariot card is here for you. So let's see, why are you being pulled into different directions where your health is concerned? Why are you standing in limbo? As much as you want to go back to a time when your health was probably perfect here, Cancer, you really do want to take action moving forward, but then you leave it for another day. That's what I'm feeling here. I could be wrong. You can tell me in the comment box. But I just feel that it's always the action that you need to take. Maybe the exercise that you need to do. Oh, not today. I'll start from tomorrow. Maybe another day. Maybe another day. So that kind of has to be kind of put to rest here, Cancer. I do see you wanting to come back to that place of perfect health, but having the will to take action, but always kind of putting it off to, okay, I'll drink a little bit today. From tomorrow, I promise I'll give up drinking or smoking or, having that cheesy burger only for today. That kind of a feeling I'm getting. So what's the Chariot going to bring, Spirit, for Cancer for their good health this year? Yes, once you make up your mind, see, this is where you were not choosing, and Spirit saying once you choose and stop interacting or being with people who are a bad influence. Okay, maybe you are with a group of friends or people or company that kind of is not the best for you where your health is concerned. Cancer, you make up your mind, make your decision, and then start moving forward. So that's very, very, very important for you, for your health. Chariot, Spirit, Chariot for Cancer's good health this year. Yes, see how gorgeous you're going to look after that. People are going to be turning heads and saying, hey, there goes Cancer, looking so hot, looking so beautiful, looking so handsome or whatever, because you are going to be shining. Once you make up your mind about the direction you want to go to where your health is concerned, cut out people and things and food and whatever that, don't serve you. Get into a structured kind of a, regime for yourself. You'll be shining. You'll be shining. Wherever you go, even to a grocery store, people are going to turn around and say, hey, who's that? Right? So, yes, it's time now to stop going back and forth and putting things off for another day. So, let's see wealth now. Wealth looks pretty good, Cancer. Wealth looks really, really good. I have the 9 of Cups, the Emperor, and the 10 of Pentacles. So, I don't see any problem where there's wish fulfillment, feeling really good about your finances this year. At least you will be. You are coming out as the Emperor, which is an Aries card though, but it's showing up for you as someone who's got everything in control now. Maybe your finances, your business, your work. I think this year you're going to come back into your power and your money is looking like, wow, 10 of Pentacles. So let's see. I don't want to even take clarifiers for this. This is like so perfect. But let's see what Spirit needs to say. 9 of Cups, Spirit, for wealth, for Cancer. 9 of Pentacles for wealth, for Cancer, Spirit. Spirit says there's nothing to be said. Okay, there it is. Yes, you're starting a brand new chapter where wealth is concerned. It's going to feel like a brand new life where your wealth is concerned, Cancer. It's going to make all your wishes come true. Look at this. The World card. You guys could be doing something internationally or maybe on the internet or something like that. But whatever you guys do, it's going to bring you a lot of emotional happiness. Okay, where wealth is concerned. So, Emperor spirit, where Cancer's wealth is concerned. Emperor. Emperor. Yes, it's come after some delay, right, Cancer? There's been a bit of delay in reaching this position, but justice will happen this year. Whatever delays you've experienced, right? Whatever delays have happened to make you feel like the Nine of Pentacles and I've got all my shit together, my, money bank is full. It's been a bit slow in coming, Spirit says, but now with this new cycle that has started for you, it's going to bring you all that wealth. They'll put you back into the seat of power. It's going to give you a balanced approach to money, wealth, everything, career. And it's taking you to the Ten of Pentacles. What's that, Spirit? Ten of Pentacles. Ten of Pentacles. See? Total transformation of your wealth, Cancer. This new cycle that you're starting, it's like it'll be nothing like the old. If any of you have been struggling, please know that this brand new chapter is going to be like a brand new beginning. Nothing of the old is going to be, and it's only going to be you back in control of your money. That is so beautiful. God bless. Let's take one more for the Ten of Pentacles. One more, Spirit, for the Ten of Pentacles for Cancer. Yes, you've waited for this, haven't you? You've waited for a very, very long time. You've tried and tried and tried, and you're almost there to say, I'm tired now, right? But don't give up, Cancer, because all this back and forth energy that's been going on in your wealth department is now over. After this delay comes a huge transformation which is taking you straight to the Ten of Pentacles. This is lasting wealth. All right, so let's see now general happiness for Cancer. Nine of Swords. So you do get worried once in a while, right? You do have little worries here and there, and yes, this could be maybe related to your finances. But from what I see here, if you've been worried about equal give and take regarding, I don't know, you'll all have different things that you worry about, right? Some could be about partnership, some could be about equal give and take with a spouse or a boyfriend or girlfriend. Some could have money issues, but whatever said and done, there's a star card right after that, which is coming true, making you the Queen of Pentacles. Now, the Queen of Pentacles, don't go by the gender. This is that perfect spouse kind of card who has it all. So whether it's money or whether it's a relationship, you're going to be put on a pedestal, finally. So what's the star card, Spirit, for Cancer? What's the star card for Cancer? Okay, one more. High Priestess again. Okay, with the Page of Pentacles. So yes, Cancer. Oh, with the Ace of Wands as well. I didn't even notice this card. Anyway, so all your wishes are coming true. I'm sure most of you know how this is going to happen. And if you don't, I think it's very important, Cancer, this year to be really tapped into your spirituality. And if possible, don't talk to too many people about your wealth or whatever. Whatever new beginning is starting for you is going to take off like a rocket. Okay? And this could be passion where love is concerned. This could be a creative, business deal or anything like that. But whatever said and done, all this worry is going to go of not having equal partnership or not having equal give and take. And once this new thing takes off, it promises you healing and wishes coming true. So, Queen of Pentacles, Spirit, what's that for Cancer's happiness? Queen of Pentacles. Queen of Pentacles. if you've had any kind of conflict, Cancer, if there's been any kind of fights or conflict or trouble, maybe, a rift between two people or whatever, I think this year it's going to be open hearts. I have a King of Cups here. After a period of strife, yes, after some trouble, after some maybe unhappiness or fighting or conflict or whatever, maybe this is what you've been, stressing about. But then it ends with the King of Cups and the Queen of Pentacles, which is great. So what does this mean, Spirit, for Cancer? What does this mean, Queen of Pentacles and the King of Cups for Cancer? This is end of keeping yourself guarded, end of conflict, end of fighting. You can finally, Cancer, this year, put your burdens down. Put your guard down, put your burdens down. You no longer have to be, in that stance of always protecting your energy and always kind of being careful about who's doing what or whatever, because the Star card is here. And you're also spiritually guided this year, from what I feel. The High Priestess is here twice. And then we have sustenance and look deeper. So Spirit is in control, Cancer. Don't you worry about it. And the only little bit negative card that I've seen here is here, which is self-imposed. This is you overthinking, not sleeping well at night, and kind of stressing and worrying about how other people are going to behave. But from what I see, I think with all your wishes, I have two cards saying your wishes are coming true. Nine of Cups is here and the Star card. Okay, so this promises to be a pretty good year, except for your health, which I see you kind of being a bit lazy here, Cancer. So right now, make up your mind and, make a goal for yourself. Wealth, absolutely no problem. General happiness, I see a little bit of sleepless nights and, worrying about what somebody said and whatever. But I do see it ending on a very good note with you being in control of your life. I have the Emperor center of my spread here with the Queen of Pentacles now. So you will have enough. Wealth is not a problem. Your wealth will be good. You will be sitting on that seat of power. You will be taking now, hopefully, very good care of your health. And you will be able to now maybe spread that happiness and abundance around to your loved ones as well. Right? So, yes, have a beautiful, beautiful new year, Cancer. God bless, love and light. Take care, and I'll see you now on Saturday. Yeah, Saturday for your Love Bite. Sorry, on Wednesday for your July read. Till then, Namaste.